Hello and welcome to our tutorial on navigating the MotionManager Interface in SOLIDWORKS. This powerful tool is your gateway to creating dynamic and realistic motion studies for your models. Let's start with the timeline, located right next to the MotionManager Design Tree. This is where you'll see the sequence of your animation events. The timeline is your storyboard, displaying key points and change bars that represent changes in your animation. Notice the solid dark gray line? That's the time bar, indicating the current time in your motion study. It's your reference point as you build your animation. Key points are crucial. They mark the start or end of a change in your animation. When you move components or adjust visual properties, these changes are reflected as key points on the timeline. Now, take a look at the MotionManager Design Tree. Here, you can access different motion study tools like animation, basic motion, and motion analysis. As you interact with the timeline, moving components, and adding simulation elements, the timeline dynamically updates. You can preview component positions at different times by clicking on the timeline. After positioning the time bar and making changes, you can edit your animation directly by dragging key points. Right-click in the timeline area for options like adding new key points, pasting copied points, or using the animation wizard. Key points can be moved, copied, or scaled, giving you full control over the timing and duration of your motion study. Change bars connect these key points and indicate changes in animation duration, component motion, and other properties. Change bars use different colors to visually identify the type of change, making it easier to understand your animation at a glance. With the MotionManager interface in SolidWorks, you have a comprehensive tool set at your fingertips. It's all about bringing your designs to life, ensuring they not only look good, but also function as intended in the real world.